Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're going to look at some pictures of stuff going around, and it's hard to say that it's almost middle June. Well, anyway, we're going to start off with some baby groundhogs that are about the house. We're going to show you some pictures of the cats having fun, the bees that my wife makes for honey. So, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned for some more fun. We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you. And as promised, here's our big ginger hopscotch sleeping out on the back porch listening to birds and the weather. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let you watch the pictures of the cats and the bees and the groundhogs, and I'm going to throw some music on a soundtrack for you. Please enjoy, and thanks for watching. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The first part of June. Hope you enjoyed it. Please have fun. Thanks for watching. Forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just picking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.